Hey guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will learn how to use until loops in shell scripting. Now, until loops are almost similar to while loop, but with a slight difference, and the difference we are going to see in a moment. But let's see first the syntax of until loop. So the syntax of until loop is like this. So you use the keyword until, and then in square bracket or in double parenthesis also you give a condition, and if the condition is false, then the commands between the keyword do and done are executed, right? So the difference is, in the while loop, if the condition is true, then only the commands are executed. In the until loop, the condition is false, then only the commands are executed, right? So let's take an example. So once again, for example, I want to print the value 1 to 10 on the terminal. So I will declare a variable and assign a value of 1 to it. And in the condition, this time I want to write here $n, and then I will just give it a flag GE, which is greater than or equal to, right? And then 10. So we want to evaluate the condition if the value of n is greater than or equal to 10, and if it's not greater than or equal to 10, then it's going to echo the value of n, for example, right? So we will just write like this. And to increment the value of n, we can just write this notation. So just write n is equal to double parenthesis and then n plus 1 here. Okay, so let's run the script and let's see what happens. So I'm going to run the script, and it prints the value 1 to 9. And why it's happening here? Because this condition is false whenever we start our script. N is equal to 1 here, right? So when this point is reached, the n is equal to 1, which is not greater to 10 or not greater than or equal to 10. So it goes here, right? So it's checks for the false condition, right? And then if the condition is false, which is false in this case because n is not greater than or equal to 10, then it prints this value with the echo command and then increment the value of n by this, right? And it goes on and on and on until the value of n becomes 11, which is greater than or equal to 10, which is true. So if the condition is true, this is not executed, right? Now if I want to print 1 to 10, I need to just write greater than here, not greater than or equal to, but greater than, right? And once again, when I run the script, it prints 1 to 10, right? Similar to while loop, you can just use these double parentheses here to evaluate the condition, and we will just do something like this. But instead of greater than, you just need to write something like this. So until the n is not greater than 10, then we will execute the command. So once again, the values are printed 1 to 10, right? And as we have seen, we can increment the value of n in few ways. So the post increment is possible. Let me clear the terminal and once again run the script, and the result will be same. And pre increment is also possible, so like this, and once again run the script, and it gives us the similar result. Okay, so in this way you can use until loop in shell scripting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.